Okay, we are coming to our last chapter in senior 1, which is time and timetables. Now, time and timetables, what competence do we expect from time and timetables? The learner understands and uses time. That's all. What are the learning outcomes? Identify and use units of time, use and interpret different representations. Time, that is 24 and then 12 o'clock. Then apply understanding of time in a range of relevant real-life contexts. So this one you can summarize it by the way, the one aspect of integration. You can set one where someone has to convert from 12 to 24 o'clock. But here, ours, it was to create a timetable. The real-life challenge is creating a timetable. So the question is there. So now let us see, how many sessions do we have? They are saying the company plans 5 sessions for the day. Are they 5? Okay. They are telling us that 5 sessions starting at 8 a.m. So session 1 is starting at 8 a.m. and then it's going to take 3 hours, so it will end up to 11. Then there we have a break. A break of what? The break there, they are giving a break of 45 minutes. So 45 minutes, that's the break they are giving. I'm just summarizing the information from the question. Then session 2, now from here, if we add now 45 minutes to this, we shall be having now 11:45. Session 2 is taking, session 1 is for 2 hours. So for 2 hours, if I add 2 hours here, I'll be having first of all 12:45, then 1:45. So that will be 1:45, that's now will be PM, which will be followed by a break of 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Then we come to session 3. Session 3. So here we have a break of 30 minutes. Third session will last for 2 hours. So if you add 30 minutes to this, we shall be having now 2:15. Then we have a session of 2 hours. We shall now get to 4:15 p.m. Then after this, we get a break. So our break there is going to be for 2 hours, a third session, and then a break of 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So if I add 15 here, I'll get now to my 4th session, session 4. So add 15 here, I'll be having now 4:30. So the 4th session takes also 2 hours. So this will push us now to 2 hours here, which is 6:30 p.m. followed by a break. And they are giving us a break of 30 minutes. So from 30 minutes, after 30 minutes, we shall get our 50th session, which now, if we add 30 here, we are coming now to, I think we are coming to 7 p.m. So from 7 to, it's taking just 1 hour to 8 p.m. And that's how we have. However, the original timetable has been lost. The manager needs a new one created in 24 hours. So we are just going to get we can either draw our timetable in the normal way we know, or this can also be enough. So with the sessions, breaks, ensuring the simple and clear employees reference. So you can decide to draw one, which is, you tabulate this one, which is very okay. You can come and draw a timetable here. So you can say now the timetable tabulated. Okay, so you can draw one there. sorry. So we are going to see our sessions here. I'm going to put our sessions. I'm going to put session 1. Session 1. Then I put a break. And I put session 2. Session 2. Session 2. Then I put the break. Then I can make it shorter so that I can occupy session 3 here. And after session 3, I'll put a break. Shall be having our break here. So sorry, got to be a bit uniform there. Then I put my break. Come to my session 5. Session 4. 4. Then a break. Then lastly, I come to our session 5. Session 5. That will be the end of the story. So then after, you can say that after this, I'll enclose my table as good as that. So now it's time to draw now the timetable. There. So those are the 5 sessions and their respective breaking point. So the first session, session 1, now I'm putting in the time. Session 1 was from 8 to 11 a.m. So this is a.m. Then there we receive our 45 minutes, break of 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, you add them here, come to our second session, to 1:45 p.m. followed by our 30 minutes break. If you want, you can say now from this to this, you can also give that break when it's ending and then when it starts and then when it's ending. Then after that, we come to 2:15 to 4:15 p.m. followed by 15 minutes of break. The fourth starts at 4:30, which will end at 6:30 p.m. followed by 30 minutes. Then lastly, start from 7 to 8 p.m. So I've easily drawn the timetable, and I told us that our timetable should be in a 12 hour format. If they wanted the 24 hours, you know the basics. You just add 12 on everything we have here. Just here, we just add the 0, then the rest we add 12. From 1, we start adding 12 from 1. Here we just add the 0, then this will remain the same. Then from 1 p.m. and above, we just add 12 to create to 24 hours. That's it. Let us now focus to activities for Senior 2. So Senior 1 has a total of 14 chapters or topics. So we have summarized them. Now let us move to Senior 2 activities of integration. That's it. See you.